What's up, everybody? It is Andrew from Coaster 101, and they say everything is bigger in Texas. I'm about to take a ride on the world's first Giga dive coaster, Tormenta Rampaging Run, here at Six Flags over Texas. It's a little after sunrise, so we've got a little bit of a dawn ride right now, kind of a night ride, kind of a morning ride, but we're about to go 309 feet above Arlington, Texas. And if you look around, you can see the Texas Rangers ballpark, you can see AT&T Stadium, but we are going, again, there are 6 world records on this attraction. There's a 285-foot drop. We are climbing this lift hill right now. To climb a lift hill this tall and this steep it feels certifiably insane. And I'm just like, here we go. To the left, look around, get all of Texas in front of you. You can kind of see Dallas. I'm sure that's Fort Worth over there. We are about to be hung 309 feet before a 285-foot drop into the world's tallest implemented inversion. So here we go. Let's go! Oh! There's the implement! Whoa! We go through the implement into the vertical loop. And we're heading towards the mid-course brake run right now. We got another vertical drop. We got another implement. We got that cutback right around the first drop. It's funny, this second drop, like this second vertical drop, this is like the size of some dive coasters on their own. Here we go. Oh! Another implement. Right into the cutback over the drop. And here we go. Whew. That's a blast. So Tormenta Rampaging Run, by the time this video posts, will be open at Six Flags over Texas. 4,200 feet of track. Like I said, the world's first Giga dive coaster, and it is a blast. So be sure to get out to Six Flags over Texas if you can, ride it, and thanks for following along. We'll see you soon. Coaster101.com.